Alright, so we did a thing today. So I did end up picking it up because I do not have this one. So went back to Target, got this. But look at that. It's the bloody variant, so I just have the original one. So it is cool that they made like two of them to make us spend more money, but it's all good. But look at that. And I did watch I think the beginning, the one from like 2006 or 7, the new beginning or whatever. I like that one. It's pretty good. You know, it's not like the 2003 one with Jessica Biel, but it's still good. But there is the back. Yeah, the 2003 ones, I haven't watched it for a while, but I remember back in the day it was one of my favorite remakes. I think it's really good. But I haven't seen it for a while. But yeah, man, let's open them up. Alright, here he is out of the packaging. So he looks really cool. I do like these ones. They're pretty cool. They're cool looking, you know, they're fun. Yeah, here is the chainsaw. So you can see this one is bloody. That is what we want to see. Or I do. And the chainsaw is like a lime, or it's kind of like a lime green, which I guess it's supposed to be. I think the other one is yellow. We'll have to check. You can see it. Plasticky. But obviously it's supposed to be like that. Just be careful so you don't break it. I'm going to probably have to get some more of the little NECA stands, but it's all good. And there's some cool, you know, blood splatter. And I like that it's kind of splattered there. So that's really good. There is the figure. So he is like 5 inches tall. And also I'm going to order the 50th anniversary of the deluxe version from NECA. I think the Pretty Woman one too. I'm going to try to get those. Yeah, here's his arm. He can spank his own thing. And the front just has a swivel. You can go. So obviously these don't have a lot of articulation, but you just got to hold the chainsaw, man. That's all I care. This one's a little tighter, but that's good. You want it tight at first, you know what I'm saying? There's the little feet with the little peg holes. And the blood splatter. See, I'm not going to make this video too long, just like the last one. You know, the ultimate figures are, I'll spend a little more time on, but these, you know, a little cheaper. Oh, the head. Oh, okay. Now that's scary. Alright. So his head can do a 360 like Reagan from The Exorcist. So that's cool. You really pretty much just needed to, you know, move to the side a little bit. It can't really go up and down. It can just a little bit, but that's probably just the joint. You know what I'm saying? Let's set him down. And we'll grab his brother. Which, yep, that is yellow. So I'm going to get the chainsaw in his hand here. And we'll be right back. Alright, here's both of them. So yeah, you can see that is definitely yellow. And not bloody. So too, the color's a little different. Obviously, even if you get two of the same ones, they're not going to be the same, so. But yeah, this one, the colors are pretty close, but this looks more of like a brownish. That's maybe like a tint more green, like his shirt. But everything else looks pretty much the same. What is more accurate, I don't know, to be honest. But they both look good. Oh yeah, the skin tone a little different. I don't know if you guys could tell. Just a little bit. Him from the back. Alright, let's set him back here. So yeah, he looks pretty cool, man. I'm glad I got him. And I do have the old, I think it was the deluxe one, so the new one's supposed to be better, taller, better face sculpt. And this one I kind of like the face a little better because you can't see the eyes as much. If we bring this one, so you can see his eyes more. I mean, it's not a huge deal at all, but yeah. But yeah, man, he looks cool. If you guys got this, let me know. How do you like it? I think it's pretty cool. Should we have a face-off? Oh, I'm an idiot. Alright. Alright, guys, stay tuned, man. Twos.